Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a little girl named Lily. Lily had a big dream. She wanted to create the most beautiful garden in the whole world. But there was a problem. The land she lived on was dry and barren, and nothing seemed to grow there. Undeterred by the challenges, Lily decided to start small. She planted a single seed and watered it every day, even when the sun was scorching hot. Weeks passed, and the tiny plant began to sprout. It was a small victory, but it fueled Lily's determination. As the years went by, Lily worked tirelessly, planting more seeds, learning about different plants, and experimenting with various gardening techniques. She faced many setbacks. Sometimes her plants withered away, and other times pests invaded her garden. But each setback taught her something valuable. Lily didn't give up. She sought advice from experts, read books, and watched videos about gardening. She even started a small garden club with her friends, where they shared tips and experiences. Slowly but surely, Lily's garden began to flourish. People from neighboring villages started visiting to marvel at the beauty she had created. News about her incredible garden spread far and wide, and soon she was invited to gardening competitions. Lily faced tough competition, but her passion and determination set her apart. She won several awards and prizes for her exceptional gardening skills. Her once barren land had turned into a lush paradise, filled with colorful flowers, bountiful fruit trees, and friendly butterflies. Lily's story became an inspiration for kids everywhere. She showed them that with hard work, dedication, and a never-give-up attitude, dreams can come true. She turned a dry patch of land into a symbol of hope and perseverance. So remember, just like Lily, you can achieve your dreams, no matter how big they may seem. Start small, learn from your mistakes, seek help when needed, and never stop believing in yourself. Success is waiting for those who are willing to work for it.